Contract Manufacturing Solution, back-to-back flow. After completing this lesson, you should be able to execute a back-to-back contract manufacturing flow against a customer order and explain the steps required to calculate the cost of contract manufacturing a finished good item. This lesson will serve to introduce 3 practice exercises for executing a back-to-back contract manufacturing flow. In the first practice, you'll enter a sales order and review the associated work order and purchase order combination that is automatically created. In the second practice, you'll complete the manufacturing operations and view the availability of inventory on hand. Finally, in the third practice, we'll ship the goods to a customer to fulfill the sales order and view the cost details. For the first practice, you'll create a sales order for a back-to-back item that would be manufactured by a contract manufacturer. Here are the key steps. First, you'll create a sales order in the order management system and schedule it. Scheduling will happen behind the scenes in Global Order Promising. Next, you'll release the planning recommendation that will send the supply request to Supply Chain Orchestration. You'll then navigate to the Fulfillment view in the Order Management System and then review the status of the sales order. Additionally, you'll use the Action menu to switch to the Fulfillment view and navigate to the Supply Details tab and then click the Supply Order Number, which will take you to Supply Chain Orchestration. Then, you'll review the contract manufacturing work order and its reservation against the sales order, and also review purchase order details which are stamped on the work order. Finally, you'll then review the purchase order and finished good details which are stamped on the purchase order. In Practice 26-2, you'll update the manufacturing work order with completion records. This creates the inventory for the finished goods in the contract manufacturing organization. Then, you'll review the records to ensure the receipt of service item against purchase order in the contract manufacturing organization, the finished good items inventory created in the contract manufacturing organization, and the service item which is being consumed. Next, you'll review that the reservations for the finished good are transferred to on-hand inventory. Then, you'll review the status of finished goods availability within order management to confirm that the goods are available for shipment. In Practice 26-3, you will process shipment of finished goods from the contract manufacturing organization to the end customer, review shipping records to confirm that the shipment was completed, and also review order management records to confirm that the order fulfillment was completed. Before we complete our practices, however, let's summarize our chapter. In this lesson, you should have learned how to execute back-to-back contract manufacturing standard flow against a customer order and explain the steps which are required to calculate the cost of contract manufacturing for a